Aleph, Lam, Mim. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a chapter like these, and call your witnesses apart from Allah, if you are truthful. But if you do not, and you will not, then beware the fire whose fuel is people and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. It is He who created for you everything on earth, then turned to the heaven, and made them 7 heavens. And He is aware of all things. And recall that we parted the sea for you, so we saved you, and we drowned the people of Pharaoh as you looked on. And you surely knew those of you who violated the Sabbath. We said to them, be despicable apes. And do not say of those who are killed in the cause of Allah, dead. Rather, they are alive, but you do not perceive. In the creation of the heavens and the earth, in the alternation of night and day, in the ships that sail the oceans for the benefit of mankind, in the water that Allah sends down from the sky, and revives the earth with it after it had died, and scatters in it all kinds of creatures, in the changing of the winds, and the clouds disposed between the sky and the earth, are signs for people who understand. And their prophet said to them, the proof of his kingship is that the ark will be restored to you, bringing tranquility from your Lord, and relics left by the family of Moses and the family of Aaron. It will be carried by the angels. And that is a sign for you, if you are believers. Aleph, Lam, Mim. You merged the night into the day, and you merged the day into the night, and you bring the living out of the dead, and you bring the dead out of the living, and you provide for whom you will without measure. On the day when every soul finds all the good it has done presented. And as for the evil it has done, it will wish there were a great distance between them. Allah cautions you of Himself. Allah is kind towards the servants. Every soul will have a taste of death, and you will receive your recompense on the day of resurrection. Whoever is swayed from the fire, and admitted to paradise, has won. The life of this world is merely enjoyment of delusion. In the creation of the heavens and the earth, and in the alternation of night and day, are signs for people of understanding. Allah does not commit an atom's weight of injustice, and if there is a good deed, He doubles it, and gives from His presence a sublime compensation. And I will mislead them, and I will entice them, and I will prompt them to slit the ears of cattle, and I will prompt them to alter the creation of Allah. Whoever takes Satan as a lord, instead of Allah, has surely suffered a profound loss. Say, shall I inform you of worse than that for retribution from Allah? He whom Allah has cursed, and with whom He became angry, and He turned some of them into apes, and swine, and idol worshippers. These are in a worse position, and further away from the right way. O you who believe! Do not ask about things that would trouble you if disclosed to you. But if you were to ask about them while the Quran is being revealed, they will become obvious to you. Allah forgives that. Allah is forgiving and clement. Praise be to Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, and made the darkness and the light. Yet those who disbelieve ascribe equals to their Lord. Have they not considered how many generations we destroyed before them? We had established them on earth more firmly than we established you, and we sent the clouds pouring down abundant rain on them, and we made rivers flow beneath them. But we destroyed them for their sins, and established other civilizations after them. To Him belongs whatever rests in the night and the day. He is the hearing, the knowing. It is He who takes you by night, and He knows what you earn by day. Then He raises you up in it, until a fixed term is fulfilled. Then to Him is your return, then He will inform you of what you used to do. It is Allah who splits the grain and the seed. He brings the living from the dead, and He brings the dead from the living. Such is Allah. So how could you deviate? It is He who breaks the dawn. And He made the night for rest, and the sun and the moon for calculation. Such is the disposition of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. and it is He who produced you from a single person, then a repository, then a depository. We have detailed the revelations for people who understand. And it is He who sends down water from the sky. With it we produce vegetation of all kinds, from which we bring greenery, from which we produce grains in clusters. And palm trees with hanging clusters, and vineyards, and olives, and pomegranates, similar and dissimilar. Watch their fruits as they grow and ripen. Surely in this are signs for people who believe. Whomever Allah desires to guide, He spreads open his heart to Islam, and whomever He desires to misguide, He makes his heart narrow, constricted, as though he were climbing up the sky. Allah thus lays defilement upon those who do not believe. Alif, Lam, Mim, Sad. But Satan whispered to them, to reveal to them their nakedness, which was invisible to them. He said, Your Lord has only forbidden you this tree, lest you become angels, or become immortals. Your Lord is Allah, He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then established Himself on the throne. The night overtakes the day, as it pursues it persistently, and the sun, and the moon, and the stars are subservient by His command. His is the creation, and His is the command. Blessed is Allah, Lord of all beings. He made drowsiness overcome you, as a security from Him. And He sent down upon you water from the sky, to cleanse you with it, and to rid you of Satan's pollution, and to fortify your hearts, and to strengthen your foothold. O you who believe! Respond to Allah and to the Messenger when He calls you to what will revive you. And know that Allah stands between a man and his heart, and that to Him you will be gathered. The number of months, according to Allah, is 12 months, in the decree of Allah, since the day He created the heavens and the earth, of which 4 are sacred. This is the correct religion. So do not wrong yourselves during them. And fight the polytheists collectively, as they fight you collectively, and know that Allah is with the righteous. Postponement is an increase in disbelief, by which those who disbelieve are led astray. They allow it 1 year, and forbid it another year, in order to conform to the number made sacred by Allah, thus permitting what Allah has forbidden. The evil of their deeds seems good to them. Allah does not guide the disbelieving people. Alif, Lam, Ra. These are the verses of the wise book. Your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then settled over the throne, governing all things. There is no intercessor except after His permission. Such is Allah, your Lord, so serve Him. Will you not reflect? To Him is your return, altogether. The promise of Allah is true. He originates creation, and then He repeats it, to reward those who believe and do good deeds with equity. As for those who disbelieve, for them is a drink of boiling water, and agonizing torment, on account of their disbelief. It is He who made the sun radiant, and the moon a light, and determined phases for it, that you may know the number of years and the calculation. Allah did not create all this except with truth. He details the revelations for a people who know. In the alternation of night and day, and in what Allah created in the heavens and the earth, are signs for people who are aware. The likeness of the present life is this: water that we send down from the sky is absorbed by the plants of the earth, from which the people and the animals eat. Until, when the earth puts on its fine appearance, and is beautified, and its inhabitants think that they have mastered it, our command descends upon it by night or by day, and we turn it into stubble, as if it had not flourished the day before. We thus clarify the revelations for people who reflect. On the day when He rounds them up, as if they had tarried only 1 hour of a day, they will recognize one another. Those who denied the meeting with Allah will be the losers. They were not guided. You do not get into any situation, nor do you recite any Quran, nor do you do anything, but we are watching over you as you undertake it. Not even the weight of an atom, on earth or in the sky, escapes your Lord, nor is there anything smaller or larger, but is in a clear record. It is He who made the night for your rest, and the daylight for visibility. Surely in that are signs for people who listen. Today we will preserve your body, so that you become a sign for those after you. But most people are heedless of our signs. Aleph, Lam, Ra. A scripture whose verses were perfected, then elaborated, from one who is wise and informed. It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and His throne was upon the waters, in order to test you, which of you is best in conduct. And if you were to say, you will be resurrected after death, those who disbelieve would say, this is nothing but plain witchcraft. Those are the ones who lost their souls, and what they had invented has strayed away from them. Until, when our command came, and the volcano erupted, we said, board into it a pair of every kind, and your family, except those against whom the sentence has already been passed, and those who have believed. But those who believed with him were only a few. And it was said, O earth, swallow your waters, and O heaven, clear up. And the waters receded, and the event was concluded, and it settled on Judea, and it was proclaimed, away with the wicked people. Aleph, Lam, Ra. These are the verses of the clear book. Aleph, Lam, Mim, Ra. These are the signs of the scripture. What is revealed to you from your Lord is the truth, but most people do not believe. Allah is He who raised the heavens without pillars that you can see, and then settled on the throne. And He regulated the sun and the moon, each running for a specified period. He manages all affairs, and He explains the signs, that you may be certain of the meeting with your Lord. And it is He who spread the earth, and placed in it mountains and rivers. And He placed in it 2 kinds of every fruit. He causes the night to overlap the day. In that are signs for people who reflect. On earth are adjacent terrains, and gardens of vines, and crops, and date palms, from the same root or from distinct roots, irrigated with the same water. We make some taste better than others. In that are proofs for people who reason. To Allah prostrates everyone in the heavens and the earth, willingly or unwillingly, as do their shadows, in the morning and in the evening. He sends down water from the sky, and riverbeds flow according to their capacity. The current carries swelling froth. And from what they heat and fire of ornaments or utensils comes a similar froth. Thus Allah exemplifies truth and falsehood. As for the froth, it is swept away, but what benefits the people remains in the ground. Thus Allah presents the analogies. Aleph, Lam, Ra. A scripture that we revealed to you, that you may bring humanity from darkness to light, with the permission of their Lord, to the path of the Almighty, the praiseworthy. Do you not see that Allah created the heavens and the earth with truth? If He wills, He can do away with you, and bring a new creation. On the day when the earth is changed into another earth, and the heavens, and they will emerge before Allah, the One, the Irresistible. Aleph, Lam, Ra. These are the verses of the book, a Quran that makes things clear. We placed constellations in the sky, and made them beautiful to the beholders. And we guarded them from every outcast devil. Except one who steals a hearing, and is followed by a visible projectile. We spread the earth, and placed stabilizers in it, and in it we grew all things in proper measure. We send the fertilizing winds, and send down water from the sky, and give it to you to drink, and you are not the ones who store it. We created the human being from clay, from molded mud. And the jinn we created before, from piercing fire. Travel with your family at the dead of the night, and follow up behind them, and let none of you look back, and proceed as commanded. and we turned it upside down, and rained down upon them stones of baked clay. He created the human being from a drop of fluid, yet he becomes an open adversary. And he regulated for you the night and the day, and the sun, and the moon, and the stars are disposed by his command. Surely in that are signs for people who ponder. And he cast mountains on the earth, lest it shifts with you, and rivers, and roads, so that you may be guided. Those they invoke besides Allah create nothing, but are themselves created. They are dead, not alive, and they do not know when they will be resurrected. Have they not observed what Allah has created? Their shadows revolve from the right and the left, bowing to Allah as they shrink away. To Allah bows down everything in the heavens and everything on earth, every living creature, and the angels, and without being proud. Allah sends down water from the sky, with which he revives the earth after its death. In this is a sign for people who listen. And there is a lesson for you in cattle, we give you a drink from their bellies, from between waste and blood, pure milk, refreshing to the drinkers. And from the fruits of date palms and grapevines, you derive sugar and wholesome food. In this is a sign for people who understand. And your Lord inspired the bee, set up hives in the mountains, and in the trees, and in what they construct. Then eat of all the fruits, and go along the pathways of your Lord, with precision. From their bellies emerges a fluid of diverse colors, containing healing for the people. Surely in this is a sign for people who reflect. Allah has given you mates from among yourselves, and has produced for you, from your mates, children and grandchildren, and has provided you with good things. Will they then believe in falsehood, and refuse Allah's favors? To Allah belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth. The coming of the hour is only as the twinkling of the eye, or even nearer. Allah has power over everything. Glory to him who journeyed his servant by night, from the sacred mosque, to the farthest mosque, whose precincts we have blessed, in order to show him of our wonders. He is the listener, the beholder. We have made the night and the day two wonders. We erased the wonder of the night, and made the wonder of the day revealing, that you may seek bounty from your Lord, and know the number of years, and the calculation. We have explained all things in detail. For every person we have attached his fate to his neck. And on the day of resurrection, we will bring out for him a book which he will find spread open. Praising him are the seven heavens, and the earth, and everyone in them. There is not a thing that does not glorify him with praise, but you do not understand their praises. He is indeed forbearing and forgiving. When you read the Quran, we place between you and those who do not believe in the hereafter an invisible barrier. On the day when he calls you, you will respond with his praise, and you will realize that you stayed only a little. Those they call upon are themselves seeking means of access to their Lord, vying to be nearer, and hoping for his mercy, and fearing his punishment. The punishment of your Lord is to be dreaded. We have honored the children of Adam, and carried them on land and sea, and provided them with good things, and greatly favored them over many of those we created. Praise be to Allah, who revealed the book to his servant, and allowed in it no distortion. Did you know that the people of the cave and the inscription were of our wondrous signs? You would have seen the sun, when it rose, veering away from their cave towards the right, and when it sets, moving away from them to the left, as they lay in the midst of the cave. That was one of Allah's wonders. He whom Allah guides is truly guided, but he whom he misguides, for him you will find no directing friend. Recall when Moses said to his servant, I will not give up until I reach the junction of the two rivers, even if it takes me years. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sa'ad. Ha. To him belongs everything in the heavens and the earth, and everything between them, and everything beneath the soil. He who made the earth a habitat for you, and traced in it roots for you, and sent down water from the sky, with which we produce pairs of diverse plants. He said, Begone. Your lot in this life is to say, no contact. And you have an appointment that you will not miss. Now look at your God that you remained devoted to, we will burn it up, and then blow it away into the sea, as powder. On the day when the trumpet is blown, we will gather the sinners on that day, blue. Murmuring among themselves, you have lingered only for 10. We are fully aware of what they say, when the most exemplary of them in conduct will say, you have lingered only a day. And they ask you about the mountains. Say, my Lord will crumble them utterly, and leave them desolate waste. You will see in them neither crookedness, nor deviation. Do the disbelievers not see that the heavens and the earth were one mass, and we tore them apart? And we made from water every living thing. Will they not believe? And we placed on earth stabilizers, lest it sways with them, and we placed therein signposts and passages, that they may be guided. And we made the sky a protected ceiling, yet they turn away from its wonders. It is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each floating in an orbit. We did not grant immortality to any human being before you. Should you die, are they then the immortal? There is a ban on the town that we had destroyed, that they will not return. Until, when Gog and Magog are let loose, and they swarm down from every mound. On the day when we fold the heaven, like the folding of a book. Just as we began the first creation, we will repeat it, a promise binding on us. We will act. And I do not know whether it is perhaps a trial for you, and an enjoyment for a while. O people! If you are in doubt about the resurrection, we created you from dust, then from a small drop, then from a clinging clot, then from a lump of flesh, partly developed and partly undeveloped. In order to clarify things for you. And we settle in the wombs whatever we will for a designated term, and then we bring you out as infants, until you reach your full strength. And some of you will pass away, and some of you will be returned to the vilest age, so that he may not know, after having known. And you see the earth still, but when we send down water on it, it vibrates, and swells, and grows all kinds of lovely pears. Do you not realize that to Allah prostrates everyone in the heavens and everyone on earth, and the sun, and the moon, and the stars, and the mountains, and the trees, and the animals, and many of the people? But many are justly deserving of punishment. Whomever Allah shames, there is none to honor him. Allah does whatever He wills. Have they not journeyed in the land, and had minds to reason with, or ears to listen with? It is not the eyes that go blind, but it is the hearts, within the chests, that go blind. And they ask you to hasten the punishment. But Allah never breaks His promise. A day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of your count. That is because Allah merges the night into the day, and He merges the day into the night, and because Allah is hearing and seeing. Do you not see that Allah sends down water from the sky, and the land becomes green? Allah is kind and aware. Do you not see that Allah made everything on earth subservient to you? How the ships sail at sea by His command. That He holds up the sky lest it falls on earth, except by His permission? Allah is gracious towards the people, most merciful. Do you not know that Allah knows everything in the heavens and the earth? This is in a book. That is easy for Allah. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him a seed, in a secure repository. Then we developed the seed into a clot. Then we developed the clot into a lump. Then we developed the lump into bones. Then we clothed the bones with flesh. Then we produced it into another creature. Most blessed is Allah, the best of creators. We created above you 7 pathways, and we are never heedless of the creation. And we sent down water from the sky in proper quantity, and settled it in the ground, and we are able to take it away. So we inspired him, build the ark under our observation and by our inspiration. And when our decree comes to pass, and the oven boils over, load into it 2 pairs of every kind, together with your family, except those of them against whom the word has already been pronounced. And do not speak to me concerning those who did wrong, for they are to be drowned. Then, after them, we established another generation. There is nothing but our life in this world. We die, and we live, and we are not resurrected. Then, after them, we raised other generations. If the truth conformed to their desires, the heavens, the earth, and everyone in them would have gone to ruin. In fact, we had given them their message, but they keep avoiding their message. And it is he who gives life and brings death, and to him is the alternation of night and day. Do you not understand? Say, who is the Lord of the 7 heavens, and Lord of the splendid throne? Allah has never begotten a son, nor is there any God besides him. Otherwise, each God would have taken away what it has created, and some of them would have gained supremacy over others. Glory be to Allah, far beyond what they describe. That I may do right in what I have neglected. By no means. It is just a word that he utters. And behind them is a barrier, until the day they are resurrected. On the day when their tongues, and their hands, and their feet will testify against them regarding what they used to do. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The allegory of his light is that of a pillar on which is a lamp. The lamp is within a glass. The glass is like a brilliant planet, fueled by a blessed tree, an olive tree, neither eastern nor western. Its oil would almost illuminate, even if no fire has touched it. Light upon light. Allah guides to his light whomever he wills. Allah thus cites the parables for the people. Allah is cognizant of everything. Do you not realize that Allah is glorified by whatever is in the heavens and the earth, and even by the birds in formation? Each knows its prayer and its manner of praise. Allah knows well what they do. Have you not seen how Allah propels the clouds, then brings them together, then piles them into a heap, and you see raindrops emerging from its midst? How he brings down loads of hail from the sky, striking with it whomever he wills, and diverting it from whomever he wills. The flash of its lightning almost snatches the sight away. Allah created every living creature from water. Some of them crawl on their bellies, and some walk on 2 feet, and others walk on 4. Allah creates whatever he wills. Allah is capable of everything. He to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, who took to himself no son, who never had a partner in his kingship, who created everything and determined its measure. The day when the sky is cleft with clouds, and the angels are sent down in streams. Do you not see how your Lord extends the shadow? Had he willed, he could have made it still. And we made the sun a pointer to it. Then we withdraw it towards us gradually. And it is he who made the night a covering for you, and sleep for rest, and he made the day a revival. And it is he who sends the winds, bringing advance news of his mercy, and we send down from the sky pure water. We have circulated it among them, that they may reflect, but most people persist in thanklessness. And it is he who merged the 2 seas, this one fresh and sweet, and that one salty and bitter, and he placed between them a barrier, and an impassable boundary. And it is he who, from fluid, created the human being. Then he made relationships through marriage and mating. Your Lord is omnipotent. He who created the heavens and the earth and everything between them in 6 days, then settled on the throne. the most merciful. Ask about him or well-informed. Blessed is he who placed constellations in the sky, and placed in it a lamp, and an illuminating moon. And it is he who made the night and the day alternate, for whoever desires to reflect, or desires to show gratitude. Seen, Meme. These are the verses of the clarifying book. He said, Lord of the East and the West, and everything between them, if you understand. So we drove them out of gardens and springs. We inspired Moses, strike the sea with your staff. Whereupon it parted, and each part was like a huge hill. Seen. These are the signs of the Quran, a book that makes things clear. An imp of the sprites said, I will bring it to you before you rise from your seat. I am strong and reliable enough to do it. He who had knowledge from the book said, I will bring it to you before your glance returns to you. And when he saw it settled before him, he said, This is from the grace of my Lord, to test me, whether I am grateful or ungrateful. He who is grateful, his gratitude is to his own credit, but he who is ungrateful, my Lord is independent and generous. Or, who made the earth habitable, and made rivers flow through it, and set mountains on it, and placed a partition between the two seas. Is there another God with Allah? But most of them do not know. Say, perhaps some of what you are impatient for has drawn near. And when the word has fallen on them, we will bring out for them from the earth a creature which will say to them that the people are uncertain of our revelations. And you see the mountains, and imagine them fixed, yet they pass, as the passing of the clouds, the making of Allah, who has perfected everything. He is fully informed of what you do. Seen, Meme. These are the verses of the clear book. Pharaoh said, O nobles, I know of no God for you other than me. So fire up the bricks for me, O Haman, and build me a tower, that I may ascend to the God of Moses, though I think he is a liar. You were not on the western side when we decreed the command to Moses, nor were you among the witnesses. These will be given their reward twice, because they persevered, and they counter evil with good, and from our provisions to them, they give. It is out of his mercy that he made for you the night and the day, that you may rest in it, and seek some of his bounty, and that you may give thanks. Alif, Lam, Meme. We sent Noah to his people, and he stayed among them for 1,000 years minus 50 years. Then the deluge swept them, for they were wrongdoers. The likeness of those who take to themselves protectors other than Allah is that of the spider. It builds a house. But the most fragile of houses is the spider's house. If they only knew. They urge you to hasten the punishment. But hell will engulf the disbelievers. The life of this world is nothing but diversion and play, and the home of the hereafter is the life, if they only knew. Do they not see that we established a secure sanctuary, while all around them the people are being carried away? Do they believe in falsehood, and reject the blessings of Allah? Alif, Lam, Meme. Do they not reflect within themselves? Allah did not create the heavens and the earth, and what is between them, except with reason, and for a specific duration. But most people, regarding meeting their Lord, are disbelievers. Allah originates creation, and then repeats it. Then to him you will be returned. He brings the living out of the dead, and he brings the dead out of the living, and he revives the land after it had died. Likewise you will be resurrected. And of his signs is that he created you from dust, and behold, you become humans spreading out. And of his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the diversity of your languages and colors. In this are signs for those who know. It is he who initiates creation, and then repeats it, something easy for him. His is the highest attribute, in the heavens and the earth. He is the Almighty, the Wise. so devote yourself to the religion of monotheism, the natural instinct Allah has instilled in mankind. There is no altering Allah's creation. This is the true religion, but most people do not know. Allah is He who sends the winds. They stir up clouds. Then He spreads them in the sky as He wills. And He breaks them apart. Then you see raindrops issuing from their midst. Then, when He makes it fall upon whom He wills of His servants, behold, they rejoice. Allah is He who created you weak, then after weakness gave you strength, then after strength gave you weakness and grey hair. He creates whatever He wills. He is the omniscient, the omnipotent. On the day when the hour takes place, the sinners will swear they had stayed but an hour. Thus they were deluded. But those endowed with knowledge and faith will say, you remained in Allah's book until the day of resurrection. This is the day of resurrection, but you did not know. Alif, Lam, Mim. He created the heavens without pillars that you can see, and placed stabilizers on earth lest it shifts with you, and scattered throughout it all kinds of creatures. And from the sky we sent down water, and caused to grow therein of every noble bear. Do you not see how Allah placed at your service everything in the heavens and the earth? How He showered you with His blessings, both outward and inward. Yet among the people is he who argues about Allah without knowledge, without guidance, and without an enlightening scripture. Your creation and your resurrection are only as a single soul. Allah is hearing and seeing. Have you not seen how Allah merges the night into the day, and merges the day into the night? That He subjected the sun and the moon, each running for a stated term. And that Allah is cognizant of everything you do. Alif, Lam, Mim. Allah is He who created the heavens and the earth and everything between them in 6 days, and then established Himself on the throne. Apart from Him, you have no master and no intercessor. Will you not reflect? He regulates all affairs, from the heavens, to the earth. Then it ascends to Him on a day the length of which is 1,000 years by your count. Allah did not place 2 hearts inside any man's body. Nor did He make your wives whom you equate with your mothers, your actual mothers. Nor did He make your adopted sons, your actual sons. These are your words coming out of your mouths. Allah speaks the truth, and guides to the path. We offered the trust to the heavens, and the earth, and the mountains, but they refused to bear it, and were apprehensive of it, but the human being accepted it. He was unfair and ignorant. He knows what penetrates into the earth, and what comes out of it, and what descends from the sky, and what ascends to it. He is the merciful, the forgiving. Do they not reflect upon what lies before them and behind them, of the heaven and the earth? If we will, we can make the earth cave in beneath them, or make pieces of the sky fall down on them. And that is a sign for every devout servant. We bestowed upon David favor from us, O mountains, and birds, echo with him. And we softened iron for him. And for Solomon the wind, its outward journey was 1 month, and its return journey was 1 month. And we made a spring of tar flow for him. And there were sprites that worked under him, by the leave of his Lord. But whoever of them swerved from our command, we make him taste of the punishment of the inferno. They made for him whatever he wished, sanctuaries, statues, bowls like pools, and heavy cauldrons. O house of David, work with appreciation, but a few of my servants are appreciative. Praise be to Allah, originator of the heavens and the earth, maker of the angels messengers with wings, double, triple, and quadruple. He adds to creation as He wills. Allah is able to do all things. Allah created you from dust, then from a small drop, then He made you pairs. No female conceives, or delivers, except with His knowledge. no living thing advances in years, or its life is shortened, except it be in a record. That is surely easy for Allah. The two seas are not the same. One is fresh, sweet, good to drink, while the other is salty and bitter. Yet from each you eat tender meat, and extract jewelry which you wear. And you see the ships plowing through them, so that you may seek of his bounty, so that you may give thanks. He merges the night into the day, and he merges the day into the night, and he regulates the sun and the moon, each running for a stated term. Such is Allah, your Lord, his is the sovereignty. As for those you call upon besides him, they do not possess a speck. Have you not seen that Allah sends down water from the sky? With it we produce fruits of various colors. And in the mountains are streaks of white and red, varying in their hue, and pitch black. Yasin. Another sign for them is the night, we strip the day out of it, and they are in darkness. And the sun runs towards its destination. Such is the design of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. And the moon, we have disposed it in phases, until it returns like the old twig. The sun is not to overtake the moon, nor is the night to outpace the day. Each floats in an orbit. Whomever we grant old age, we reverse his development. Do they not understand? Lord of the heavens and the earth, and everything between them, and Lord of the Easts. We have adorned the lower heaven with the beauty of the planets, and guarded it against every defiant devil. They cannot eavesdrop on the supernal elite, for they get bombarded from every side. Except for him who snatches a fragment, he gets pursued by a piercing projectile. Inquire of them, are they more difficult to create, or the others we created? We created them from sticky clay. Sa'at. By the renowned Quran. And others fettered in chains. He created you from one person, then made from it its mate, and brought down livestock for you, 8 kinds in pairs. He creates you in the wombs of your mothers, in successive formations, in a triple darkness. Such is Allah, your Lord. His is the kingdom. There is no God but He. So what made you deviate? Have you not considered how Allah sends down water from the sky, then He makes it flow into underground wells, then He produces with it plants of various colors, then they wither and you see them yellowing, then He turns them into debris? Surely in this is a reminder for those with understanding. Allah takes the souls at the time of their death, and those that have not died during their sleep. He retains those for which He has decreed death, and He releases the others until a predetermined time. In that are signs for people who reflect. They have not esteemed Allah as He ought to be esteemed. The entire earth will be in His grip on the day of resurrection, and the heavens will be folded in His right. Immaculate is He, and transcendent He is beyond the associations they make. And the trumpet will be sounded, whereupon everyone in the heavens and the earth will be stunned, except whomever Allah wills. Then it will be sounded another time, whereupon they will rise up, looking on. And the earth will shine with the light of its Lord, and the book will be put in place, and the prophets and the witnesses will be brought in, and judgment will be passed among them equitably, and they will not be wronged. Ha-Mim. Thus the sentence of your Lord became realized against those who disbelieve, that they are to be inmates of the fire. They will say, Our Lord, you made us die twice, and twice you gave us life. Now we acknowledge our sins. Is there any way out? And Pharaoh said, O Haman, build me a tower, that I may reach the pathways. O my people, the life of this world is nothing but fleeting enjoyment, but the hereafter is the home of permanence. Certainly the creation of the heavens and the earth is greater than the creation of humanity, but most people do not know. It is Allah who made the earth a habitat for you, and the sky a structure. And he designed you, and designed you well, and he provided you with the good things. Such is Allah, your Lord, so blessed is Allah, Lord of the worlds. It is He who created you from dust, then from a seed, then from an embryo, then He brings you out as an infant, then He lets you reach your maturity, then you become elderly, although some of you die sooner, so that you may reach a predetermined age, so that you may understand. Ha-Mim. Say, do you reject the one who created the earth in 2 days? And you attribute equals to Him? That is the Lord of the universe. He placed stabilizers over it, and blessed it, and planned its provisions in 4 days, equally to the seekers. Then He turned to the sky, and it was smoke, and said to it and to the earth, come, willingly or unwillingly. They said, we come willingly. So He completed them as 7 universes in 2 days, and He assigned to each universe its laws. And we decorated the lower universe with lamps, and for protection. That is the design of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. Ha-Mim. Ain, Sin, Kaf. The heavens above them almost burst apart, while the angels glorify the praises of their Lord, and ask forgiveness for those on earth. Allah is indeed the Forgiver, the Merciful. Originator of the heavens and the earth. He made for you mates from among yourselves, and pairs of animals, by means of which He multiplies you. There is nothing like Him. He is the hearing, the seeing. And of His signs are the ships sailing the sea like flags. It is not for any human that Allah should speak to him, except by inspiration, or from behind a veil, or by sending a messenger to reveal by His permission whatever He wills. He is all-high, all-wise. Ha-Mim. Until, when He comes to us, He will say, if only there were between me and you the distance of the 2 easts. What an evil companion. Ha-Mim. So watch out for the day when the sky produces a visible smoke. The day when we launch the great assault, we will avenge. We did not create the heavens and the earth and what is between them to play. We created them only for a specific purpose, but most of them do not know. Ha-Mim. Allah created the heavens and the earth with justice, so that every soul will be repaid for what it has earned. And they will not be wronged. And they say, there is nothing but this our present life, we die and we live, and nothing destroys us except time. But they have no knowledge of that, they are only guessing. Ha-Mim. We have enjoined upon man kindness to his parents. His mother carried him with difficulty, and delivered him with difficulty. His bearing and weaning takes 30 months. Until, when he has attained his maturity, and has reached 40 years, he says, Lord, enable me to appreciate the blessings you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to act with righteousness, pleasing you. And improve my children for me. I have sincerely repented to you, and I am of those who have surrendered. So be patient, as the messengers with resolve were patient, and do not be hasty regarding them. On the day when they witness what they are promised, it will seem as if they had lasted only for an hour of a day. A proclamation, will any be destroyed except the sinful people? Are they just waiting until the hour comes to them suddenly? Its tokens have already come. But how will they be reminded when it has come to them? The life of this world is nothing but play and pastime. But if you have faith and lead a righteous life, He will grant you your rewards, and He will not ask you for your possessions. O people! We created you from a male and a female, and made you races and tribes, that you may know one another. The best among you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous. Allah is all-knowing, well experienced. Qaf. By the glorious Quran. And every soul will come forward, accompanied by a driver and a witness. We created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in 6 days, and no fatigue touched us. The day when the earth will crack for them at once. That is an easy gathering for us. We constructed the universe with power, and we are expanding it. We created all things in pairs, so that you may reflect and ponder. On the day when the heaven sways in agitation, even if they were to see lumps of the sky falling down, they would say, a mass of clouds. By the stars it goes down. Then he came near, and hovered around. He was within 2 bows length, or closer. Then he revealed to his servant what he revealed. The heart did not lie about what it saw. Will you dispute with him concerning what he saw? He saw him on another descent. At the lotus tree of the extremity, near which is the garden of repose. As the covered the lotus tree, what covered it? The sight did not waver, nor did it exceed. He saw some of the great signs of his Lord. The hour has drawn near, and the moon has split. So we opened the floodgates of heaven with water pouring down. And we made the earth burst with springs, and the waters met for a purpose already destined. And we carried him on a craft of planks and nails. Everything we created is precisely measured. And our command is but once, like the twinkling of an eye. The sun and the moon move according to plan. And the stars and the trees prostrate themselves. And the sky, he raised, and he set up the balance. Lord of the 2 easts and Lord of the 2 wests. He merged the 2 seas, converging together. Between them is a barrier, which they do not overrun. So which of your Lord's marvels will you deny? His are the ships, raised above the sea like landmarks. O society of jinn and humans! If you can pass through the bounds of the heavens and the earth, go ahead and pass. But you will not pass except with authorization. So which of your Lord's marvels will you deny? In them are fruits of every kind, in pairs. When the earth is shaken with a shock, and the mountains are crushed and crumbled. Have you seen the water you drink? Is it you who sent it down from the clouds, or are we the sender? If we will, we can make it salty. Will you not be thankful? I swear by the locations of the stars. It is an oath, if you only knew, that is tremendous. He is the first and the last, and the outer and the inner, and he has knowledge of all things. It is he who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then settled over the throne. He knows what penetrates into the earth, and what comes out of it, and what descends from the sky, and what ascends to it. And he is with you wherever you may be. Allah is seeing of everything you do. He merges the night into the day, and he merges the day into the night, and he knows what the heart contains. No calamity occurs on earth, or in your souls, but it is in a book, even before we make it happen. That is easy for Allah. Do you not realize that Allah knows everything in the heavens and everything on earth? There is no secret counsel between 3, but he is their 4th, nor between 5, but he is their 6th, nor less than that, nor more, but he is with them wherever they may be. Then, on the day of resurrection, he will inform them of what they did. Allah has knowledge of everything. Allah is he who created 7 heavens, and their like of earth. The command descends through them, so that you may know that Allah is capable of everything, and that Allah encompasses everything in knowledge. He who created 7 heavens in layers. You see no discrepancy in the creation of the compassionate. Look again. Can you see any cracks? Then look again, and your sight will return to you dazzled and exhausted. We have adorned the lower heaven with lanterns, and made them missiles against the devils, and we have prepared for them the punishment of the blaze. Are you confident that the one in heaven will not cause the earth to collapse beneath you as it spins? Say, have you considered? If your water drains away, who will bring you pure running water? Then, when the trumpet is sounded a single time, and the earth and the mountains are lifted up, and crushed, with a single crush, and the heaven will crack, so on that day it will be frail. And the angels will be ranged around its borders, while it will be carrying the throne of your Lord above them that day. Unto him the angels and the Spirit ascend on a day the duration of which is 50,000 years. They see it distant, but we see it near. On the day when the sky will be like molten brass, and the mountains will be like tufted wool, no friend will care about his friend. I swear by the Lord of the Easts and the Wests, that we are able. Although he created you in stages. Do you not realize that Allah created 7 heavens in layers? And he set the moon in their midst for light, and he made the sun a lamp. And Allah germinated you from the earth like plants. Some individual humans used to seek power through some individual jinn, but they only increased them in confusion. We probed the heaven, and found it filled with stern guards and projectiles. We used to take up positions to listen in, but whoever listens now finds a projectile in wait for him. The knower of the invisible, he does not disclose his invisible to anyone, except to a messenger of his choosing. He then dispatches guards before him and behind him. Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but he, so take him as a trustee. On the day when the earth and the mountains tremble, and the mountains become heaps of sand. So how will you, if you persist in unbelief, save yourself from a day which will turn the children grey-haired? The heaven will shatter thereby. His promise is always fulfilled. We have appointed only angels to be wardens of the fire, and caused their number to be a stumbling block for those who disbelieve, so that those given the scripture may attain certainty, and those who believe may increase in faith, and those given the scripture and the believers may not doubt, and those in whose hearts is sickness and the unbelievers may say, what did Allah intend by this parable? Thus Allah leads astray whom he wills, and guides whom he wills. None knows the soldiers of your Lord except he. This is nothing but a reminder for the mortals. I swear by the day of resurrection. Does man think that we will not reassemble his bones? Yes indeed, we are able to reconstruct his fingertips. When vision is dazzled, and the moon is eclipsed, and the sun and the moon are joined together. Has there come upon man a period of time when he was nothing to be mentioned? We created man from a liquid mixture, to test him, and we made him hearing and seeing. Passing around them are vessels of silver, and cups of crystal. Crystal of silver, they measured them exactly. Yet you cannot will, unless Allah wills. Allah is knowing and wise. When the stars are obliterated, and the sky is fractured, and the mountains are blown away, did we not create you from an insignificant fluid, then lodged it in a secure place? For a known term, we measured precisely. We are the best to measure. Did we not make the earth a homestead for the living and the dead? Proceed to a shadow of 3 different masses, and the mountains pegs, and made your sleep rest, and made the night a cover, and built above you 7 strong ones, and placed a blazing lamp. On the day when the quake quakes, and is followed by the successor, and the earth after that he spread, and from it, he produced its water and its pasture. On the day when they witness it, as though they only stayed an evening, or its morning. From a sperm drop he created him, and enabled him. When the sun is rolled up, when the stars are dimmed, when the mountains are set in motion, when the relationships are suspended, when the beasts are gathered, when the oceans are set aflame, when the souls are paired, when the girl, buried alive, is asked, for what crime was she killed? When the records are made public, when the sky is peeled away. I swear by the galaxies, precisely running their courses. Your friend is not possessed. He saw him on the luminous horizon. But you cannot will, unless Allah wills, the Lord of the worlds. When the sky breaks apart, when the planets are scattered, when the oceans are exploded, when the tombs are strewn around, when the sky is ruptured, and hearkens to its Lord, as it must, and when the earth is leveled out, and casts out what is in it, and becomes empty. I swear by the twilight, and by the night, and what it covers, and by the moon, as it grows full. You will mount stage by stage, by the sky with the constellations, while they sat around it, and were witnessing what they did to the believers, by the sky that returns, and the earth that cracks open, by the morning light, and the night as it settles, by the fig and the olive, and Mount Sinai, and this safe land, taught man what he never knew. No. If he does not desist, we will drag him by the forelock. A deceitful, sinful forelock. When the earth is shaken with its quake, and the earth brings out its loads, whoever has done an atom's weight of good will see it. And whoever has done an atom's weight of evil will see it. By the racers panting. What will explain to you what the shocker is? The day when the people will be like scattered moths. By time, he sent against them swarms of birds, throwing at them rocks of baked clay. From the evil of the sneaky whisperer, who whispers into the hearts of people. From among jinn and among people,